All right, so we're going to do 1 through 5 together. Excuse me. And we're going to kind of use each line. I would suggest kind of breaking it maybe in half. Okay. On this first side, what we should be doing is putting the gender, case, and number of the noun. Okay? Excuse me. Okay? So you need your Latin book out. Okay? Because most of you are not going to have the genders of these nouns memorized. You might want to have your adjective notes out. Okay? In fact, you should have your adjective notes out. Okay? So, we're going to start with number 1, and we're going to make Magnus match Primia. Okay? So, in order to do that, we need to know what the gender, case, and number of Primia is. Okay? And so, if you were to go look it up in the back of your book, you would find primium, primii, and you would see an N after. So this one is neuter. Okay. So looking at your adjective notes, okay, with neuter in that far right neuter column, we need to consider where do we have that A. And so hopefully you're saying, oh, Miss McConaughey, it's nominative or accusative plural. Okay. Because the ending's the same. Okay. So we need to take Magnus, and for Magnus, let's look at that, not the feminine one. Okay, actually, let's move that. Okay, we're going to look at the feminine nominative singular. So I'm going to take magna. I'm going to drop the A here, so I have M-A-G-N. Okay, and then I need to add that neuter, nominative and accusative plural ending, which was a. Okay. Now, for familiam, okay, again in your glossary, you're going to look up familia, familii, okay, and you're going to see that it's feminine. Okay, and so now we need to know where the is in our feminine adjective column. Okay. And hopefully you're saying, oh, Miss McConaughey, that is accusative singular. And I would tell you, yes. Yes, it is. Okay. So, and we need our feminine nominative singular here of miser, which is misera. And again, we're going to drop the a. So we have miser. And then we're going to take our feminine accusative singular ending and add it to the end. So we'll have miseram. Okay. All right. So epistulas. If you're looking up epistula, epistulae, you're going to see that it is feminine. Okay. And then looking in your feminine column there, you're going to see us. Okay. And so this is accusative plural. Okay. Now you know the drill. We're going to take that feminine nominative singular form of longus. We're going to drop the a, so we have long. And then we're going to add the feminine accusative plural ending, which is us. Okay. Looking at concilia. So you would be looking up concilium, concilii, and you would see that this is neuter. Okay, so where there on that far right neuter column, okay, do we have the a? Okay, and hopefully you're telling me again that it is nominative or accusative plural. Okay, so we're going to take bona, we're going to drop the a. Okay, but actually we're just going to add it right back. So we have bona. Okay, for our last example, you're going to be looking up gaudii, and you'll see that it's neuter. Okay, And so where in your far right neuter column does that I fall? And there's only one where it's E, and that is genitive singular. Okay? So again, we're going to take magna, we're dropping the ah, so we have mag and M-A-G-N, and so we're going to add the I back to the end of it. So we have magni. Now, for some of these in 6 through 15 that are left, they are not always going to look the exact same, so be very careful. Have a good one.